Facilities maintenance tech. This morning's issue is low humidity in operating rooms. So I'm on the roof with this Dakin unit, the gas heat section, excuse me, the gas humidifier section. And signal it's given us is a unit alarm check drain. Should be a stick here to keep this door open. Hopefully it doesn't swing shut on me. All right. A little bit of light. So I got a fault on the display. I already looked on the remotely on the BAS. It was a unit fault check drain. So we're going to check for any restrictions that might be in there. And I don't know if the timer's right. So it's October 24th is when that fault came in. Drain check, drain pump activated for extended period without changing float level. Possible causes: number one, drain restriction, back pressure from drain lines, and slow drain of unit. Check restrictor and drain line above pump. Clean it if blocked. Go ahead and turn this off for now. So I am looking for a U-shape pipe on a drain. Stainless steel. I see one here. This looks like a drain here. Drain, drain, drain. This is a Condair GS humidifier. So here we got a stainless steel drain. I'm going to open it up, see if it's restricted anywhere along here. It's preventing it from draining out. Well, this is a trap. I'm looking to see if it's restricted. I saw some water drip out of it. I can blow through it. And put it back together. Start it up, see if anything changes. See if we start producing steam. If not, then I'm look for something else that's restricted. Turn it on. Wait a few minutes. Turn the switch on. Typically power cycle resets the fault. When I turn it back on, I do hear it filling. These are the water level sensors with the digital light on it. This is the trap I just inspected and cleaned out. Here's some water draining. Actually, I think it's coming out of here. Here. Yeah. Once there's some demand and it's running, you should get a graphic here showing it. Fill check. Once I got a green light going, I know everything's okay. If you get a fault, it's going to go red. See water draining. I see a leak here. That looks like a vacuum breaker. See this better. Be able to see this better with the light off. Nope. Alright, I found the restriction I was looking for with the help of a tech over the phone. Couldn't really video it, but alright, so this stainless steel inverted U has a smaller orifice on the exit side, and there was mineral deposit scale over half the hole. I took this piece out, turned it upside down, and cleared it out. And about a minute ago, I started the unit back up, so I'm hoping for some better results on this gas-fired humidifier. And I'll turn it back on if it's heating or not. Let's give it some time. Okay, it's a little bit more promising. It is. Before I was just draining. After I cleaned out that orifice on the drain, removed the scale, it finished its fill check, and now it's showing humidifying. So I think it's going to be calling for some heat, and this pipe should warm up if that is actually happening. This has stopped draining like it should. I believe we're filling up the reservoir. Again, these are the fill level indicator. So as it fills, that LED should rise to the next level. Because I had a restriction here, water was probably backing up. It was coming out of this vacuum breaker, which it's no longer doing. Nothing's leaking either, so we're gonna be okay. Give some time. Yep. If you look over the top, we got some steam coming off. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, it's hot. Can't even keep my hand on there. Okay. So there on the screen on the left, you see a blue bar. It's showing the output of the steam. Everything looks good. Sorry about my hand shaking there. It's cold out here. So that was the first time I provided this service on this unit. So it was successful. We do not have steam, and I'm just going to button that back up. Just for verification. Steam. This is a Dakin HVAC package unit.